Make money online with YouTube. Affiliate marketing on the platform. In the digital age, opportunities to make money online abound, and one platform that stands out is YouTube. With its massive user base and ever-growing popularity, YouTube has become a goldmine for individuals looking to monetize their content and generate income through various channels. One lucrative avenue is affiliate marketing, where creators promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale or action generated through their referral. In this article, we will explore how you can leverage YouTube and affiliate marketing to make money online. Get ready for an exciting journey filled with actionable strategies, inspiring examples, and the keys to unlocking your earning potential on YouTube. 1. The power of YouTube. Why it's an affiliate marketer's paradise. YouTube has transformed from a mere video sharing platform to a global phenomenon with billions of active users. Its vast reach and engagement make it an ideal platform for affiliate marketing. The combination of visual content, storytelling, and product promotion creates a powerful formula for attracting and converting audiences. With YouTube, you can tap into a wide range of niches and industries, finding the perfect fit for your interests and target audience. Example: let's say you have a passion for fitness. By creating a YouTube channel centered around fitness tips, workout routines, and healthy lifestyle choices, you can position yourself as an authority in the field. Through affiliate marketing, you can recommend fitness equipment, nutritional supplements, and workout programs, earning commissions when your viewers make purchases through your affiliate links. 2. Building a successful YouTube channel. Nurturing your audience. To effectively monetize your YouTube channel through affiliate marketing, it's crucial to build a loyal and engaged audience. Here are some key strategies to foster a strong connection with your viewers. A. Consistent content. Regularly upload high-quality videos that provide value to your audience. Create a content schedule and stick to it, ensuring your subscribers know when to expect new videos. B. Engaging storytelling. Craft compelling narratives that resonate with your viewers. Share personal experiences, success stories, and challenges that your audience can relate to. This human touch builds trust and enhances the effectiveness of your affiliate marketing efforts. C. Interaction and community building. Actively engage with your audience by responding to comments, hosting live streams, and encouraging discussions. Create a sense of community where your viewers feel valued and connected. Example: imagine you run a YouTube channel focused on travel. Through captivating vlogs and destination guides, you share your adventures with your audience. By interacting with your viewers, answering their questions, and involving them in the decision-making process for future travel destinations, you create a community of travel enthusiasts eager to follow your recommendations on accommodations, travel gear, and more. 3. Finding profitable affiliate programs. Selecting the right partners. To maximize your earnings, it's essential to choose the right affiliate programs and partners. Consider the following factors when selecting affiliate programs. A. Relevance. Align the products or services you promote with the interests and needs of your audience. Look for affiliate programs that offer products relevant to your content niche. B. Commission structure. Evaluate the commission rates and structures offered by affiliate programs. Some programs provide higher commissions for specific products or offer recurring commissions for subscription-based services. C. Reputation and trustworthiness. Partner with reputable brands and affiliate networks known for their reliability and fair practices. Trust is crucial in maintaining the credibility of your recommendations. Example: suppose you run a YouTube channel focused on technology reviews and tutorials. You can explore affiliate programs offered by leading tech companies, electronics retailers, and online marketplaces. By partnering with established brands known for their quality products and competitive affiliate commissions, you can monetize your channel effectively. 4. Optimizing your YouTube videos for affiliate marketing success. To maximize your YouTube videos for affiliate marketing success, it's important to optimize your content. Here are some key optimization strategies. A. Keyword research. Conduct thorough keyword research to identify the terms and phrases that your target audience is searching for. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve visibility and search rankings. B. Compelling thumbnails. Create eye-catching and relevant thumbnails that entice viewers to click on your videos. A visually appealing thumbnail can significantly increase click-through rates and attract more viewers to your affiliate marketing content. C. Call to action, CTA. Include clear and compelling CTAs within your videos and video descriptions. Encourage viewers to take action, such as clicking on affiliate links, subscribing to your channel, or signing up for newsletters. D. Value-driven content. Focus on creating valuable and informative content that addresses your audience's pain points and provides solutions. The more value you offer, the more likely viewers are to trust your recommendations and make purchases through your affiliate links. Example: let's say you create YouTube videos about personal finance and saving money. Through thorough keyword research, you discover that many people are searching for best budgeting apps. In your video title, description, and tags, you include relevant keywords like top budgeting apps and money-saving apps. Your thumbnail features an image of a smartphone with a budgeting app interface. Within the video, you provide detailed reviews and recommendations for different budgeting apps, along with your affiliate links in the description. 5. Transparency and authenticity. Building trust with your audience. One of the fundamental principles of successful affiliate marketing on YouTube is transparency. Being honest and transparent with your audience about your affiliate partnerships builds trust and credibility. Disclose your affiliate relationships in your video descriptions and verbally mention them in your videos. By providing genuine and unbiased recommendations, you establish yourself as a reliable source of information, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Example: as you review a product in your YouTube video, you disclose that you are an affiliate and may earn a commission if viewers make a purchase through your link. Emphasize that your recommendation is based on your own experience and research, ensuring your audience understands that your primary goal is to provide value and help them make informed purchasing decisions. Affiliate marketing on YouTube offers tremendous potential for making money online. By leveraging the power of YouTube's vast audience, building a loyal community, selecting the right affiliate programs, optimizing your videos, and maintaining transparency with your audience, you can create a profitable affiliate marketing business. Remember, success in affiliate marketing requires dedication, consistency, and a genuine desire to provide value to your audience. So, start creating compelling content, engage with your viewers, and embark on your journey to make money online with YouTube and affiliate marketing. FAQs. Can I become an affiliate marketer on YouTube without a large subscriber count? Absolutely. While a large subscriber count can certainly help increase your reach, engagement, and earning potential, it's not the sole determinant of success. Focus on delivering valuable content, optimizing your videos, and nurturing your audience, regardless of the size of your subscriber base. How long does it take to start making money through affiliate marketing on YouTube? The time it takes to start making money through affiliate marketing on YouTube varies from person to person. It depends on factors such as the niche you choose, the quality of your content, your marketing strategies, and your audience engagement. With consistent effort and the right approach, you can start seeing results within a few months. Can I promote multiple affiliate programs on my YouTube channel? Yes, you can promote multiple affiliate programs on your YouTube channel. However, it's important to ensure that the products or services you promote are relevant to your audience and align with your channel's niche. Avoid overwhelming your viewers with too many promotions and maintain a balance between providing valuable content and making affiliate recommendations. Are there any restrictions on the types of products or services I can promote as an affiliate marketer on YouTube? While YouTube does not have specific restrictions on the types of products or services you can promote, it's important to adhere to its community guidelines and policies. Ensure that your content complies with YouTube's rules regarding prohibited content, deceptive practices, and any other relevant guidelines. Always prioritize ethical and responsible marketing practices. Can I use affiliate links in the video itself or in the video annotations? YouTube no longer supports annotations, but you can use affiliate links in the video description or through YouTube's cards and end screens features. These allow you to add interactive elements to your videos, including links to relevant products or services. Be sure to disclose your affiliate relationships clearly and prominently alongside these links. Are there any legal requirements or guidelines I need to follow as an affiliate marketer on YouTube? As an affiliate marketer on YouTube, you must comply with the legal requirements and guidelines set forth by the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. The FTC requires transparency and disclosure of your affiliate relationships to ensure that viewers are aware of your financial interests. Here are some important guidelines to follow. A. Clearly disclose your affiliate relationships in a prominent and easily understandable manner. You can do this by including a statement in your video descriptions, such as, "This video contains affiliate links. If you click on one of the links and make a purchase, I may earn a commission." B. It's essential to verbally disclose your affiliate relationships in your videos as well. This can be done at the beginning of your video, during the introduction, or when you mention a product or service that is part of your affiliate marketing strategy. C. Ensure that you consistently disclose your affiliate relationships across all your videos, regardless of whether they directly involve affiliate promotions. This builds trust with your audience and avoids any confusion or misinterpretation. D. Consider including affiliate disclaimers in your video content, either as on-screen text or through voiceover. This further emphasizes your transparency and reinforces the understanding that your recommendations are based on your own opinions and experiences. Example: as you introduce a product in your video, you can say something like, "Just to be transparent, I want to let you know that I am an affiliate for this product. If you choose to purchase it through my link, I may earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. I only recommend products that I have personally used and believe will benefit you." Remember, the key is to maintain authenticity and provide valuable content to your audience. By following these guidelines and maintaining transparency, you build trust, credibility, and long-term relationships with your viewers. Affiliate marketing on YouTube offers a fantastic opportunity to make money online. By leveraging the platform's vast audience, creating valuable content, and establishing trust with your viewers through transparency, you can succeed in the world of affiliate marketing. Remember to choose relevant affiliate programs, optimize your videos, engage with your audience, and always comply with legal requirements and guidelines. Stay consistent, focused, and passionate about delivering value, and you'll be well on your way to making money online with YouTube and affiliate marketing. Remember, the success of your affiliate marketing efforts on YouTube relies on delivering value, building trust, and maintaining transparency. Follow these guidelines, stay dedicated, and continue learning and adapting to the ever-evolving landscape of affiliate marketing on YouTube. Good luck on your journey. Thanks for watching. Click link in description to get started.